Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me first time, my name is Meena. Today I'm doing warm caramel fall makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's begin. So guys, before I start to makeup, I'm going to start with my skincare. First products I'm using from the Forever Living Aloe Vera Moisturizing Lotion with Jojoba oil and vitamin E. So guys, you can use any kind of moisturizing. Very important to use the moisturizing cream. Primer I'm using from the Makeup Academy Pro Base Primer Oil. So guys, use products according to your skin condition. It's October month, so my skin became already dry, even though winter is started yet. So I have to prep my skin very well. And then I'm going to leave my skin 1 to 2 minutes to absorb products into my skin. Then I'm going to use the eye cream from Forever Living Aloe Vera. You can guys use any kind of your eye cream. Then I'm going to use the Vaseline to keep my lip smooth and plump. Next, I'm going to do correcting my face. So today I'm using from the Makeup Academy peach color. So I'm going to use under my eyes, upper my eyes, and near my mouth where is black patches. Then I'm going to use the beauty blender and just dab. So foundation today I'm using from this Silk Life Proof Foundation LP10. This is all professional products, guys. Then I'm taking little bit amount. This foundation is the medium to full coverage, so I'm taking very small amount. Then just apply. It's very smooth, very nice, very silk. So I'm using brush today. You can use the any beauty blender. This is perfect match into my skin, you can see. Then I'm going to apply leftover in my neck. When you finish in your neck, I'm going to apply in my hairline. Just leftover, very thin layer. You can see it's not very thick. Because you want to look your skin is the skin, natural skin. You don't want to apply like a thick blanket foundation in your skin. Then I'm going to blend out till the smooth and evenly applied. I love fall makeup look. You can wear very warm color. Then I'm going to use the concealer. Concealer I'm using from KRYOLAN Professional Concealer. It's few colors there. I love this product and very reasonable price. So guys, you can see it's a few colors there. You have to match according to your skin tone. So I'm taking this color. I'm taking very clean brush. So I'm taking little bit amount first and just apply my under eyes. And just blend out. Then I'm taking the loose translucent powder and taking the powder puff and taking very small amount, and then just apply under my eyes to lock down the concealer and stop wrinkles. Don't apply too much. Next I'm doing my eyebrow. Eyebrow pencil I'm using from the Revolution Eyebrow Define. Then I'm going to fill up these slightly the gaps. Then I'm taking the eyebrow brush and just comb upward. Then I'm using the eyebrow gel. This is from PS. Next I'm going to clean my eyebrows. I'm taking flat brush. Then I'm taking same concealer, taking very less amount. Then same concealer I'm going to apply my eyelid. Then I'm taking the beauty blender and just blend out. You can use the brush. Then I'm taking same translucent powder, taking clean brush and taking very less amount, dust out, just apply upper my eyelid. Then apply in my T-zone, near my nose and little bit forehead, a little bit around the face, not too much. Then I'm going to contouring my face. Today I'm using contour from this Silk. This is a cream contour, medium. It's few colors there, so I'm going to use the bottom one. It's very creamy. Then I'm taking the brush, just take amount a little bit and just apply. If you got dry skin, this product is very good for you because this is a cream product, creamy. Then I'm taking very flat brush, then just applying my nose. Then I'm taking the beauty blender and just blend out slowly. Next I'm using big set. This is from MORPHE Banana Rich. Then taking the powder puff and then just going to apply under my eyes. For the brightness and my jawline. Not too much, otherwise your skin become very dry. So eyeshadow palette I'm using two. One from KRYOLAN, beautiful color, warm colors. So I'm going to use two color from here. And I'm going to use from Revolution, this is two colors, one there and one there. So first color I'm going to use very light skin color. Then taking little bit big floppy brush. I'm going to apply whole my eyelid and eye crease. Taking very small amount first. Take very small amount first, then blend out till they become smooth and make sure there is no harsh lines. I'm going to stop where my eye corner is, just here. Then I'm taking the second color, little bit brown color. Then just apply in my eye crease. Then I'm going to blend out. I'm going to apply in my eye crease. So going to leave the eyelid area and buff out very nicely. So make sure you blend out very good. So use the brush very light and soft way. Then I'm taking same color. Then I'm going to blend together. Then I'm taking very dark color brown. Taking a small brush. Then just apply outer corner of my eyes. Just create like a V shape. Then taking another floppy brush, then just blend out. Then I'm going to take this color or cream color. Then I'm just going to apply my eyelid. Then I'm going to take same color, then blend out together. Next I'm going to clean all powder. So make sure if you fell any eyeshadow, you clean properly. So I'm using the eyeliner. This is from Silk. Then I'm going to create very small eyeliner wing. Next I'm going to apply the eye pencil, apply my waterline. Then I'm going to use the same color, then I'm going to apply under my eyelashes to lock down my eye pencil. Then I'm going to use same color, just apply in my eyebrow bone. Same color I'm going to apply in corner of my eyes. Next I'm going to apply the mascara from this Silk. Then I'm going to use the blush from Silk. 3 colors there. I'm going to mix this one and this one. Next I'm going to use the lip liner. This is from the MORPHE, chocolate brown color. Then I'm going to use the liquid lipstick. This is brown color. Look at the color, it's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous color. It's perfect for the fall season makeup. Very warm color. Then I'm going to use the lip gloss. So guys, this is my final makeup. So you can see I create like caramel makeup, little brown bold lipstick. So eyeshadow I use a very nude color, very warm color. Next I'm going to use the setting spray and let it dry. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's really mean it. If you subscribe, then I'll bring more exciting videos. So till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.